Welcome back. Now, those who are interested in tracking all the murky details of, in fact, the crime that took place, the murder that took place in which Sushil Kumar, the wrestler, is accused. Now, new angle has emerged, which is quite shocking. It was just not a fight over property, but a girl is now said to be at the center of this entire fight. A girl who was close to the wrestler Sagar, who died when Sushil Kumar and men along with him allegedly beat him up at the Chhatrasal Stadium on May 4th.
Kill wrestler Sagar. Was it a feud over property and a girl? What was immediate trigger for the crime? Olympian wrestler Sushil Kumar and aide Ajay Bakkarwala behind bars for murder of budding wrestler Sagar Dhankar. But while we know the raging rivalry over a Delhi flat, what was the immediate trigger for the crime? Fresh revelations now have solved the riddle, putting spotlight on a fight over a girl. Probe officials have learned that Sushil and Ajay had hatched a plot in March to teach a lesson to Sagar and his friend Sonu Mahal. Sushil had a running feud with junior wrestler Sagar over forcible occupation of this flat in Delhi's model town. But the bad blood took a dangerous turn in March. It was Sonu's birthday and he organized a party in the same flat. And his girlfriend was a special invitee. The party was about to begin when Sushil's aide Ajay barged in, while both Sonu and Sagar had stepped away momentarily. Sonu's girlfriend and cook were the only ones present. The venue was decorated and a photo of Sonu and his girlfriend was put up. Ajay lost his cool seeing the party at the flat, which was at center of a big dispute between Sushil and Sagar. Ajay started hurling abuses at Sonu and Sagar and misbehaved with Sonu's girlfriend. He even clicked her photos with his mobile, while warning all of them with dire consequences for partying at the flat. The girl and the cook narrated the entire incident when Sonu and Sagar were back, informing them about the insult and abuses. Seething with anger, Sonu and Sagar called up Ajay. Sonu started abusing him and issued threats for ill-treating his girlfriend. After the call, Ajay started nursing a deep grouse and started looking for ways to settle scores. A physical education trainer under Delhi government, Ajay is a long-time friend of Sushil and knew about the wrestlers' dislike for Sonu and Sagar.
चाहे सुशील और अजय ये दो एक गुट थे और सागर और सोनू ये दोनों एक गुट थे, इन दोनों के बीच दरार की जो पहली वजह थी वो यही सोनू की गर्लफ्रेंड थी, जिसके साथ अजय ने गाली गलौज की और फिर देखते देखते ही दोनों गुटों में दुश्मनी इतनी बढ़ गई कि एक दिन छत्रसाल स्टेडियम में सुशील और अजय ने नीरज बवानिया जो कुख्यात गैंगस्टर है उसके गुर्गों को बुलाया और फिर सागर धनखड़ को बुरी तरह से मारा, सोनू को बुरी तरह से मारा, जिसमें इलाज के दौरान जो सागर है उसकी मौत हो गई.
Ajay soon started inciting Sushil, who took pride in his firm grip on wrestlers, training at Chhatrasal Stadium. After repeated proddings by Ajay, Sushil decided to fix both Sagar and Sonu. Sushil and Ajay first bashed up Bhakte, a close friend of Sagar, at the stadium. Despite the beating, Bhakte did not disclose the whereabouts of Sonu and Sagar. Ajay then snatched Bhakte's phone and managed to find the location of Sonu and Sagar. While Sushil had a battery of wrestlers with him, Ajay called up Bijendra, alias Binder, of the Asauda gang, seeking more muscle men. In no time, criminals and gangsters started assembling at the stadium. They then picked up Sagar Dhankar, Sonu Mahal, and one of their friends from their flat in the intervening nights of 4th and 5th May. Sushil, Ajay and the gangsters then brutally assaulted them. While Sonu turned critical in the attack, a grievously injured Sagar died the next day in hospital. The cops who arrested both Sushil and Ajay for the murder were hunting for an immediate motive. The questioning of Sonu and Sagar's friends revealed the girlfriend angle. The cops then called Sonu's girlfriend for questioning. And she narrated the birthday insult saga and subsequent escalation in feud, which were the immediate trigger for the gruesome crime. The infamous wrestler murder turning out to be a fallout of a fight over property and a girl.
एक लड़की को लेकर जो झगड़ा था, उसके बाद किस तरीके से छत्रसाल स्टेडियम में जो सुशील का दबदबा था, कहीं ना कहीं सुशील के कान भरे। अजय ने अपने दुश्मनी को साधने के लिए और उसके बाद फिर देखते ही देखते सुशील और सागर जो गुरु चेले का जिनके बीच रिश्ता था, वो इस अंजाम पर आया कि आज सुशील सागर के हत्याकांड में फिलहाल जेल में मौजूद हैं।
With Arvind Ojha in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now the Delhi police has questioned this mystery girl who is now at the center of this entire investigation related to wrestler Sushil Kumar. Now the Delhi police sources are saying that this mystery girl has given her vehicle, a scooter, in fact, to Sushil Kumar. And later, when the Delhi police picked her up, she was on the same scooter. What is the connection of this scooter? Why was it given to Sushil Kumar? And who is this girl? Take a look at this story.
The role of yet another mystery woman has surfaced in wrestler Sagar murder case. Delhi police will now probe the role of Sushil Kumar's junior, who gave her scooty to him to flee police dragnet. Sushil was nabbed when he was riding the scooty on the outskirts of Delhi. Cops have grilled the girl, but her role in connection with the murder case following a brawl at the Chhattisgarh Stadium has not been clear till now. Delhi police has also said that Sushil Kumar is very influential and can intimidate and influence witnesses, urging the court to not give bail to Sushil Kumar and his aide, gangster Ajay Bakkarwala, as it would hamper the investigation.
दिल्ली पुलिस ने बाकायदा अदालत में एक एप्लीकेशन दायर करके ये भी कहा है कि जो 4 गवाह हैं इस पूरे मामले में, वो पीड़ित भी हैं, उन पर जान का खतरा है। सुशील और उसके सहयोगी वो इन पर हमला कर सकते हैं, लिहाजा इनकी सुरक्षा बढ़ाई जाए।
Cops fear that influential gangsters involved with Sushil may eliminate key witnesses. With Arvind Ojha, Bureau Report, India Today.